Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into how you can round in Microsoft Excel. So what we have here is some dummy data where we've got 5 different numbers, and what we're going to do is we're going to round them to one decimal place. So in order to do that, I'm going to go here and do equals and then select the round function. I'm then going to select my number, and now at this point I can round to one decimal place or two decimal places or whatever it is in terms of the numbers that we have available to us. So what I'm going to do is round to one decimal place, and as easy as that, you can see that 36.78 has now been rounded to 36.8. And what I'm going to do to get the remaining results of the rounded numbers is just drag down, and as you can see here, all the other numbers have now been rounded as expected. So yeah, very useful when you're looking to carry out some rounding of your numbers in Excel, and very quick and easy to do. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.